a 9219. Nothing. I'm just recording something for a class. Here's a Simplex 4030. And here is a 9219. And the X sign. So, yeah. Alright, here we have a Wheelock MT. Over here is a Wheelock. Oh, there's the loudest bell. Over here is a Wheelock MT. Again, seems to be a lot of these. Most of the time it's in the sun, so it's kind of fading. Over here is a Wheelock MT. There's a lot of Wheelock MTs, so I'm going to be showing off every single one of them. But still. Over here, there is a Wheelock MT. Wheelock MT, no. Wheelock MT. And another one. Another one. And another one. Here is a fire bell. I'm not very sure if this works or not. I think this only works for the oh yeah, this only works for the sprinklers. So, yeah. It does work, actually. Only works when the sprinklers are activated. Secret bell area.